Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram profile photo. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So profile photo is the first visual which your followers see when they search you up or see your posts or stories. Having a profile photo allows your followers to identify you or your brand. So let me show you how to change your Instagram profile photo. First, let's open up the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile. Then tap on Edit Profile. On this page, tap on Change Profile Photo. Here you have four options: Remove Photo, Take Photo, Choose Photo from a library, or Manage Sync Settings. Select any of these options and change your profile photo. And that is how to change your Instagram profile photo. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.